Nolo Real Estate Legal Forms app. The pros, the cons. Buying, selling, or renting property can be stressful, but the Nolo Real Estate Legal Forms app simplifies the paperwork. You won't believe how easy it is to generate legally compliant documents from your phone or computer. The app offers templates for leases, purchase agreements, disclosure forms, and more. Each form is tailored to state laws, reducing the risk of mistakes and ensuring compliance. This is especially useful for landlords, property managers, and real estate investors who handle multiple transactions. Customization is another key benefit. Users can add specific terms, deadlines, and conditions, while the app provides explanations for complex legal language. Documents can be saved, shared, and printed directly from the app, streamlining the entire real estate process. However, there are cons. For highly specialized transactions or commercial properties, professional legal advice may still be necessary. Some features require a paid subscription, and users need to carefully review documents to ensure they meet specific legal requirements. In conclusion, the Nolo Real Estate Legal Forms app is a valuable tool for anyone involved in real estate transactions. Its state-specific templates, customization options, and easy accessibility make handling contracts faster and less stressful. While not a substitute for expert legal counsel in complex cases, it offers a practical and reliable solution for most standard real estate needs.